So here the first question is, find the SI on rupees 16,000 for 3 years, 3 months at 4.5% per annum. So here it's given P is equal to rupees 16,000 and the time is 3 years, 3 months. So here we can change this like 3 by 12 years. So here simplest form it will be like we can write as 3 1 by 4 years. That is 13 by 4 years. So here and rate percent is equal to 4 1 by 2%. So here the rate percent is 4 1 by 2%. So we have converted into 9 by 2%. So SI is equal to P in T into R by 100. Into time is equal to 13 by 4 years and rate is equal to 9 by 2% by 100. So here we will cut 2 zeros. 4 2s are 8. So we can directly cut like 4 2s are 8 2s are 16, 0s are 0. So here 20 into 13 into 9. So 20 into 13, 260. So we will multiply 260 into 9. 54 and it is 18, 23. So the answer is 2, 3, 4, 0.
Second question. Find the SI on 12,000 for 8 years, 4 months at 3% per annum. So, the principal amount is equals to rupees 12,000. Time is equals to 8 years, 4 months. 8 and 4 by 12 years. 4 1s are 4 3s are 8 and 1 by 3. 8 3s are 24 plus 1 25 by 3. The percentage rate is equals to 3%. SI is equals to PTR by 100 is equals to P is equals to 12,000 into T is equals to 25 by 3 into R is equals to 3 by 100. 0 0 3 1 ja 3 1 ja 120 into 25. 25 2 ja 50. 25 1 ja 25 plus 5 30. I left with 0. Answer is equals to 3,000.